So you guys see that I got the clutch line, so we're gonna throw that in the car real quick. We're gonna pour some fluid in, and then we're gonna bleed the system, and then we'll be good there. That was one of the last things I needed to take care of, so I went on Chase Bay's website and I picked up their S13 VQ line. It runs from the stock S13 slave cylinder to the VQ it runs from the stock S13 master cylinder to the stock VQ CD09 slave cylinder. It's not a hard line, so it can bend and it fits perfectly. Great company, great products, highly recommend. Here we got the 2J head, a little bit of video inception. I'm working on the video for this right now. We're putting the valves back in. You'll see here in the video that I used the setup that I have for my VQ heads. It works, but it's kind of not the best. So I actually ordered a tool that's made for Subaru heads, but surprisingly enough, it actually works on the 2J heads really well. So I'm gonna get that tomorrow, finish this video up tomorrow, and then I'll have that up in a few days for you guys. So, sounds good. We're gonna put this clutch line in. See you guys in a minute. Alright, we got Josh here.
How you doing?
Josh is gonna help me drop the diff real quick and seal it up, because I gotta seal a diff and put new fluid in it and drain the transmission and put new fluid in that. So we're gonna take care of one of those things right now. Alright, hey, what's up guys? So, today we're working on the 240, the VQ240. I know it's been a couple videos, but we're back at it because I ain't got nothing to do on the JZ. So, last night I dropped the differential out, I sealed it up, and I'm going to get ready to fill that back up with fluid. But first I'm going to take out all my coilovers because I'm going to go buy a set. Because I need my car to go lower, because this is not nearly low enough, and these are maxed. So, oh, look at all the paint chipping. That sucks. So, I'm gonna go get some new coilovers, and then that'll be that. Hey, what's up guys? So, I know it's dark now. I got the coilovers out. I was supposed to go and pick up new coilovers, but I guess it rained all day out in Mims, so my buddy's yard was completely flooded, so he couldn't get them out, so I have to wait until this upcoming weekend to get the coilovers. But figured I'd just wrap up the video and give you guys an update on the VQ. So, last Wednesday, the 16th, Hexa mailed out my wire harness through FedEx, because I asked them not to use UPS because UPS beats their boxes up, and I got it in really rough shape, and it also went missing for like 3 weeks when they shipped it through UPS. So they shipped it out on the 16th, and I think yesterday it was, the 23rd, it actually updated and finally said that it said it was pending. It said that the package was dropped off after the final truck went out for the day or something like that. But for a full week, all it said was that a shipping label was created, and FedEx insisted that Hexa hadn't given it to him yet. But I know the dudes with Hexa, and I know they wouldn't just like BS me like that. They gave it to the FedEx driver personally. So they lost it for a week, and then finally today it updated, and it says that it'll be here on Wednesday the 30th. So a week from today, it says the harness will be here. So in the meantime, I'm just going to get my last few coolant lines in here and then wrap that all up. But yeah, until then, I ain't really got much else to do on the VQ. I'm gonna try to keep you guys updated. I'm pretty sure this week I'm going to paint this fender and then paint these trim pieces that I completely forgot about. So I'll probably make a short video on that. But yeah, you already know the deal. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the build series, or if you enjoy what I'm doing here, or you want to follow along with what I got going on, we got 3 projects going right now. We got the 240 VQ240, we've got the 2J G35, and now we've got the M52 E36 that we're working on. So if any of those interest you, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along, and we'll see you in the next one.